Both speeding up and slowing down a video timeline can enhance storytelling, capture attention, and provide unique perspective on the content being presented. The choice of whether to speed up or slow down a video depends upon the desired impact and the nature of the content being edited. In this video, I will first show you how to adjust clip speed using Camtasia. Then I will show you how to use clip speed adjustments in your videos. Now I'm going to show you how to increase the speed of a clip and how to slow down the speed of a clip. First thing we're going to do is we're going to select our clip, and our clip is a clip of a group of people running up and down stadium stairs. We're going to play it really quick. And so we're going to speed this up and we're going to slow it down. So this is the current speed. The first step we can take is to go to the visual effects up on the upper left panel, click on that, and the clip speed effect appears. We take that, we drag it down to the active clip, and you'll see a plus sign. Now it's going to add it to the clip and says effect added. Now in order to increase the length or reduce the length of the clip, in order to speed it up and slow it down, we select the arrow in the middle and click on it. When we do that, we end up with a stopwatch on the left and a stopwatch on the right. And you can see that as I shadow over those two stopwatches, double arrows appear. That is the area you use to stretch or shrink the clip. If you go up here, it won't do anything. It'll go to the maximum normal level. So we have to move down to the stopwatch, click on it, the double arrows, and now we can increase the length of our clip, which will now slow down the clip. So now we have slow motion. Let's take a look. Now let's do Control Z, go back to the normal position. We're actually at about 12 seconds. And if we want to speed up the clip, we go back down to our stopwatch and we shorten up the clip and we move over our head here. We play it, and now you can see we have sped up or have a faster motion. Let's go back to our original position, the 12 seconds. Now say we want to remove the effect from the clip. All we have to do is right click on the clip itself, select the clip, right click, go up to remove clip speed, and now the effect has been removed. Say we want to add the effect again, or this is another way of adding the effect. All we have to do is simply right click and add clip speed. Now the effect has been added again. Another option is if you look up over on your right hand side, you'll see the properties panel for the clip. If we come down at the bottom, we'll see clip speed, and right now we see it's at 100%. So the effect's been added, but it's not been slowed up or slowed, or it has not also been sped up. In other words, we haven't made any changes to this length of the clip. It says the clip is 0 minutes. That's because it's only 12 seconds. And here's our seconds, and here's our frames. So we can actually take our frames, or we take the seconds, and we can increase them in order to have the slow motion. And we're going to go up to 18. Hit return. And now we have our slow motion. We'll stop it, go back to the original position, or back to frame or seconds and 12 seconds, and say we want to have it a faster motion. We're going to knock it down from 12 to 8 frames. Hit return, and now we can see we have less frames, and now we can see that we have sped up the clip. Now let's look at 20 ways where you can use fast and slow motion in your videos. First, let's look at 10 ways you can use speeding up or fast motion in videos. Number 1, time-lapse videos, creating captivating time-lapse sequences by condensing long periods into shorter videos. Number 2, tutorials and educational content, speeding up instructional videos to cover more material in less time. Number 3, highlight reels, compiling sports or event highlights to make them more engaging and fast-paced. Number 4, vlogs and travel videos, enhancing the energy and pace of vlogs while maintaining content integrity. Number 5, fast motion effects, adding comedic or dramatic effect to specific scenes for entertainment purposes. Number 6, showing progress, displaying the rapid progression of a project or transformation. Number 7, music videos, creating dynamic visuals that match the tempo of the music. Number 8, montages, seamlessly combining multiple scenes or clips for storytelling purposes. Number 9, product demos, demonstrating the quick assembly or setup of products. And number 10, animated GIFs, creating short looping animations for social media sharing. Now here are 10 times you can use slow motion. Number 1, slow motion effect, emphasizing details and actions that may be missed at a regular speed. Number 2, sports analysis, analyzing athletic movements and techniques more comprehensively. Number 3, dramatic scenes, enhancing emotional impact and suspense during critical moments. Number 4, training and coaching, breaking down complex motions or procedures for training purposes. Number 5, nature and wildlife videos, showcasing intricate movements and behaviors of animals. Number 6, medical procedure, detailed explanations of medical surgeries or procedures. Number 7, artistic expression, creating visually stunning and ethereal effects in cinematic scenes. Number 8, video essays, allowing viewers to better digest and reflect on the content presented. Number 9, interviews and talks, highlighting subtle facial expressions and emotions during conversations. Number 10, time emphasis, drawing attention to a particular moment, action, or reaction. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel. If you are interested in trying out Camtasia, click on my affiliate link in the description section of this video.